In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Cooperative Bank mobile app if you are experiencing any challenge. So if your app is too slow, or you can't open it, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve all these problems. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot this. In the first method, we want to go ahead and access the app info page. To do this, just go to settings, and from settings, look for the option called apps, and under apps, look for the manage apps option or all apps. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from the list, scroll down until you see your app, or you can search your app using this search bar. So if you go to this app, you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back to your app, and once you are on it, long press on it, and now you should be able to see app info. If you tap on this, it will take you again to the same app info page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see breakdown of data on this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are files that your app normally stores while using it to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data here, and then clear cache, and okay. And now you can see the cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open it, and this should have solved the problem. However, should this not solve the problem, then head back to app info page, and this time around tap on clear all data, and okay, then you'll have to log in afresh to start using your app. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, you need to go ahead and find for Coop Bank app on your Google Play Store or App Store and see if we have any update. So for this, I'll go ahead and go to my Play Store here and search for Coop Bank mobile banking app and see if we have an update here. For my case, I don't have an update, but should you see update here, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Cooperative Bank app and install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you can go ahead and tap on open to start using it. However, there is possibility that you might still experience a challenge. It means maybe the app still contains bugs. To solve that, you need to go ahead and uninstall the app totally from your smartphone and then install it afresh. So by following or using any of these 4 methods, you should be able now to solve any challenge with your Cooperative Bank app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.